Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Special Binomial Products Worksheet. This is the worksheet involving special binomial products to do with surds. We have 10 questions here to give you some good practice. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. There is a link at the end of this video. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this particular slide on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. After that, I'll move on to the next slide. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So these are the answers for the previous 10 questions. You can check how you went. I'll leave this on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.